Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And it's an open collaboration for everyone, which is pretty much the same as ours, except for we have a theme, which is hashtag two crafters, one design. This week's theme was to use pumpkins. So get out all your pumpkin projects and just link them to our hashtag two crafters, one design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Next week's theme will be sweater. So however you interpret sweater, whether it be an ugly sweater, whether it be an embossing folder, or whether if you just have a sweater image or something, link it to our hashtag. All right, so let me show you what I've created with this week's theme. First off, these are the items that I will be using, and I made 3x3 cards. And so first off, I'm using cottage cuts, nested stitch eyelet, square set, and I think I'm using this one here. I'm also using this that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm using this image, and I want to just say I only use Happy Harvest for all of them, but I'm not definite, but we'll see when I get into it. I'm also using My Creative Times 3x3 square card dies, and I'm using the outer card base, and then I want to say this one here to create that, and I may have, no, I think that's it. That's all I use from there. And then I'm also using this stamp set that I picked up from LDRS. It was such a great price, and I'm so glad I finally had the chance to use it. And so I put together the wheelbarrow, and I think I used the pumpkin kisses and and harvest kisses for that. It's such a cute set. I think I bought it for like maybe $3. It was such a nice price. All right, so let me jump in. I'm going to start with the LDRS ones, and so that's how those turned out. I just stamped them on there. I did try and stamp it so it had a little bit of shadow, so I kind of concentrated on like the bottom area, added a little bit more ink on that part, and then just stamped everything else. I did try and create some grass down there. Not too bad. I didn't think it turned out too bad, but I really like how it turned out. I did add some little gems, and those come from Hobby Lobby. I've shown them before. And then this one I use pumpkin kisses, and so I really like how both of those turned out. And like I said, I was so glad that I was able to use that stamp set. And then here goes the other one. I made 3 of the other ones, and so let's start out by sharing this one. And I love how I colored that, and it turned out so pretty to me. I did just add a shadow underneath that one, but I kind of copied off of the picture on there, except for I just changed the colors. Oh, I love how it turned out. I didn't finish the inside, but still love it. And then this one, I just used the back side of this paper for this one. And this one I added some grass down there. I think I did a little bit better with the grass down there. And I also used those gems and Happy Harvest on that one. And then this one was another one that I just made a shadow underneath. But love those images. So tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below. And like I said, if you have pumpkins of any kind, make sure you join in. Next week's theme is sweater. And so I'll be looking for you next week as well. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.